for today's video, we're going to the top of the
mountain.
I'm on the top of the world looking for Lipos.
It's okay.
What happened? Chicken. Sophie, Alinda.
She's okay.
Ay, kaninang may makita.
We walking to.
This is the calamansi water.
Oh, okay.
But sometimes there's the fruits, but now I think wala na.
I don't see any.
Pomelo. Only there, over there. Pomelo are already bearing fruit. Yeah, they are bearing fruit already. Yep. Big Naman.
Oh, there's one. There's a small one.
Luto. Gulang doon. Ikuan yan isang kuan. Ay,
Tiny one.
yeah.
Are they more sweet when they're sour when they're little? Okay. Smaller they are, more sour they are. Okay. Oh, she found some.
Hindi ko pa da be. Gabi ang ano gali o.
Yeah, ano ka ma?
Lamon.
Silo.
Ito sa diamond.
Cistern?
We make a tub for during the dry season.
Yeah.
Yeah, for the plant.
Okay. Then you use this to water?
Yeah, water for the plant.
Mm.
But I think Papa need to clean this one.
Not if it's just for the plants.
Waligo.
Mm. You going swimming?
Sophia is so dirty. Me. This is native guava.
So it's this fence? Here?
Yeah, oh, that's there.
Oh,
Up
okay.
there.
So it's a hectare or less than a hectare?
1 hectare.
1 hectare?
Up there. Up to there.
Oh, okay.
Then, maybe by February, I change to February. Usually the one first end of the, you see the coconut over there, from there up there, and wide like that. And
See, this is where you should put the house right here.
yeah, because my planning to look like so
Up
that
here?
you can, like relax
Yeah.
here.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's the one the plan. Open. And this one need to clean in case of like having like stay here like anipa.
Yeah.
That's the brother. Oh, that's the Auntie Laila. He said we go there. Oh, not the road.
Yeah.
That mountain. That mountain.
Oh, okay. On the other side?
Oh, this one. Oh, that's the road.
Yep.
See? Going to Pikong Bula. Going to Pikong Bula.
Ah,
But the road is nice.
nice road.
Because Papa got sick. That's why what happened to the
Oh,
corn.
yeah.
It's so very clean here. But Papa got sick. That's why.
Yeah.
And that land also for Mike maybe 1 year.
Okay.
In sale. And that the end of the road by February.
And you knew the people that owned this or no?
Yeah,
Yeah.
meaning friend.
Oh.
Jonah friend. Like a family friend. Because they have a lot, more a lot. That's why.
Oh, they have a lot of land.
That's why. His husband.
Yeah.
They have more a lot.
Tubig diba? Tubig. Inom tubig.
Little ones.
Gamay ba?
You get out.
Pinano ko na kay ano no? Si Itlaw.
Pina na pang oh.
Iya, di pa ka masina.
Hindi mo kaya din.
Di mo kaya na.
There's like, this is like cotton. I don't know what's that,
Hold
that
on.
kind of fruits. Santol. That's santol in Ilonggo.
These?
Yeah,
Sour
1, 2,
and
3.
sweet cotton.
Oh,
And the
okay.
other one's durian over there.
Yeah.
And said like this, like
These are like dwarf,
yes.
Dwarf?
Dwarf.
right? Because
Before
they're not
this
very
a lot.
high.
Oo.
Before
Before there's
this
a lot of fruits. Coconut this one dapo, but now because ano na tag-init because it's the drought season. That's why what
Oh.
happened to the coconut.
Huh.
Remember before people like spray this one?
Mhm.
Over there the pussy can see the pussy over there.
Yeah.
Maybe you want to clean up again because they have mower.
Oh, so you got a mower?
Yes. Oo. That's
person.
mangosteen. Mangosteen.
There's the mangosteen.
Durian, avocado, pomelo. You can see because like rambutan. Pang, ang pomelo, nag-start ang pomelo, pang. Di sa kabati, di. Tingo, hilo ka doon, ningo. Pang! Di pomelo, ano ng pomelo, dra, pang?
They have a poultry there, by
A what?
poultry.
May bunga
Chicken.
ng pomelo?
Oh,
My cow. Hi,
that's your cow?
Kabugaw?
How are you, my cow? Hope you're okay there.
Relaxing.
Hawa naman natin. Kaya ko, dito to. Alam mo, kita mo karo.
May mga bunga, ha?
Why pa pero ang imo to nga kano may bunga na. Pumilo nga.
O bakit yung gamay? Kasi lemon. Lemon na. Lemon. Mira, tagong bulit mo. Ay, tiga na doy.
Tubig lang eh.
Tubig siya.
Tubig lang, Meg. Ang bulit yaw. Gulang mga anak, Meg.
Ano Joy, oh? Hindi mo siya Joy.
So, oh.
Joy, sige, oh. Joy na. Sige, Niki, para paano niya kaning mainom.
Come on, monkey, get up there.
A little monkey.
Where's your tail, little monkey?
Sige, ni sa kanin, gigit paano niya kaning. Sige, Doy. Ito, ina mo.
Toy Toy got down a coconut, tried the coconut milk, that's what we're doing. Now he's trying to get another one down.
Daw ang duwa ka mag-amay.
Before, they have more coconut here. Not very, very tall. But now, it's old. That's why very
Yeah,
tall
but these
now.
are like short coconut
Before,
trees, no?
and like the other ones, very, very high.
Yeah, because I saw some of them videos where they like.
Doy, latanay, Doy. Paano ka din yun?
How to open the... Oh, grabe siya. Gulang na, Miko.
Kulang na.
Kali magpanda kay...
Ah,
Sweet.
You open
open, you drink.
Sweet.
Sweet.
Very
Like
sweet.
sugar, like sugar. As sweet as sugar.
This one.
Mm.
How to eat? This one. No spoon.
No spoon?
Like this.
Oh,
Whisk
use
out.
your thumb?
Ngam ko. Boy Scout.
Whisk out.
Boy Scout.
Like this.
Boy Scout idea.
Ah.
Ngam ko.
You want to film?
Very sweet.
Yeah.
You want to try it? Wapo, ginang. Ah?
No, it's okay.
Ay, pwede pa siya Pwede siya kanon. Imo ano dito sa ano?
Careful if you go. Iko na may imo isa dalan.
Maybe after 3 weeks.
3 weeks?
3 weeks. Maybe. It's okay. Coconut.
Okay.
Okay, coconut.
Pwede na na me.
Not enough.
So it takes like 3 weeks to grow them that big? Ah, okay.
This one. Ano galing lansones, Mika?
Like lychee.
This one.
That one, brothers, is like a lychee. That
Oh.
plant.
Little plant?
This one. This
When
one.
it grow.
That one is kasaba.
Mm.
Kasaba. Lot of grass.
Yeah. Lots of brush, huh?
Yeah?
Bunuan ko niyo.
Oo, nagkuha na, nagbunga.
Saging oh.
Miki, kuha na oh. Dana oh, guyuda. Ito. Ato.
Saging oh.
Oo, saging. We call that saging in Ilonggo, brother, the
What's that?
banana. Saging.
Saging?
Saging in Ilonggo, saging.
In Longo.
In ang Dakasaba, in Ilonggo, balinghoy.
Balinghoy.
Yeah.
Baling
Ah.
Ah, banana? Banana ko.
Banana?
Said,
Banana ma?
banana ko.
Ako
He
na
said banana
banana.
me.
Mm.
That's the corn. That one?
Yeah,
It's a corn.
yeah. Like sweet corn?
No,
Or for
it's
animals.
a native.
Oh,
Ah,
native corn?
White, yellow corn.
Yellow corn?
Hmm.
But
Because
for
the
people, right? For people, not for animals?
for the people.
Yeah.
People also.
Yeah. Because we have corn that also, some of it's for animals.
Mm-mm.
Some for people, some for animals.
That's for the people.
Yeah, because the people corn is like sweet,
Mm-mm.
sweet tasting.
It's
It's good.
Making feeds for the chicken and
Oh, feed?
yeah,
Yeah. Yeah.
chicken, goat,
Eko bebe.
tawag na pig.
Yeah. Feed the pigs.
Oh my goodness, Joy said, you're gonna go down here, this way.
Which way?
There.
Yeah, I think it's too much weeds. I think that's
It's too
why.
much weed to see here there.
Yeah, that's why.
A few moments later.